O- Okay, I'm gonna give Matthew a little
that his
sour
first one ever?
pouch. Here, Matthew, you want a sour patch?
Yeah,
You sure? Say please.
please.
Do you know how sour it is? Is that sour? You like it? Is it good? Matthew, let me see. Is it sour? Is that good, Matthew? Do you like it? Yummies. Can you say yummy? Say yummy. Sour patch. You want more?
Sure.
You sure?
Mama.
You want? Wait. You say please.
Please.
Yummy. Is that a sugar high?
Yummy? But
Mama.
Okay.